I was interested in the HVAC industry because everything is hands-on. Right out of the gate, you're not standing there listening to somebody try to tell you what you need to know. They're actually having you do it.
It's not just staring at a computer screen, you're actually problem solving.
I have too much energy to sit at a desk. It just wouldn't work. I always have to keep moving.
You're right out of high school, first thing that comes to your mind is, I need to make money. And this is definitely the industry for you to do that.
You're being paid to learn, so after 4 or 5 years, you're not going to leave school with debt.
We need people. There's not a lot of people that want to get into it. They push college so much.
They pay great, they have great benefits. Everybody around you is just awesome. And it's a career, it's not a job. I've been able to afford multiple paintball guns since working here. I got a brand new motorcycle since working here. I've been able to afford so much.
I only ever dreamed of being able to do this stuff. Now at 22, I'm able to afford pretty much anything that I would ever want.
I love seeing people's faces when they are happy that they have heat.
A lot of people's first reactions are like, oh my God, I can feel the heat, even though it's only been on for like 2 minutes. But it's wild what our little things can do for people. What excites me most about the growth opportunities is there's just so much room for it.
We get people that come in as a entry-level person and they work their way up to a sales role. Financials, there's a lot of different sectors of business.
If I found out about this after high school, I would have jumped into this industry right away. To join this industry, you don't need to know anything. Just be open to everything that they teach you. I see myself doing this for the rest of my life.